Hey, are you still struggling to learn how the stock market works? Are you still finding the right approach to learn the stock market? Even though after learning from a lot of books, YouTube channels and webinar, still you are not able to take trades confidently and make decent profit? Then we have a solution to offer to you which is eye-opener and it will help you to develop a skill set which you will never regret. My name is Rahul Vadera. I'm a chartered accountant and SEBI registered investment advisor. I'm a trader, trainer and investor. I have 5+ years of total experience into the capital market. We have launched an amazing stock market learning course for you. This is a comprehensive course for beginner and an accelerator for the experienced trader. This course has been taken up by more than 200 mentees in the past month. If you want to become a successful investor and a professional day trader, watching this video is mandatory for you. Let me quickly give you a walkthrough of what happens in this course. You're going to have myself, Rahul Vadera, as a mentor, and the course is going to cover 7 modules. All the videos under this module would be animated, easy to understand, crisp and to the point, small videos covering each different topics in 5 to 10 minutes, and the best part is you will have lifetime access and the library of the videos is going to be updated based on the recent content. Now let's dive into each topics. The first one is beginner, where we will learn all about stock market, which I call as open cup. In this, you're going to learn all the basics of stock market, like what is stock market, why to invest, what is IPO, different kinds of major market like equity, commodity, forex, why stock market is called zero sum game, power of compounding, different kind of investment strategies by successful investors. In the next module, we'll get into more details like difference between fundamental and technical analysis and which is better, how to read and interpret balance sheet, P&L and cash flow statement, how to perform and understand the company valuations. The next module is going to be very interesting as it belongs to technical analysis, and things will get crazy here as we get into more deep and practical. Here we will learn why the markets even move, what is the psychology behind the movement of the market, understanding demand and supply, how to read charts, what is candlesticks, different types of candlestick pattern and chart pattern, and what is the psychology behind them, understanding supports and resistance, trend lines, understanding volumes, about price action trading, and understanding technical indicator and should you be using that or not. And after this, the course become more advanced as we learn about making right entry, deciding targets, following the stop loss by understanding the risk management, and how to construct your trades and hold your winners. Now after this, as you are ready to take trades into the equity market, we will go and dive into to understand the derivative markets. Here we will understand what is derivative market and how does it works, what are futures, everything about options from top to bottom, like what is PCR, what is call, what is put. We will understand about option Greeks and option strategy. We'll also know about option buying versus option selling. And at the end, we'll learn about short selling and hedging using options and futures. And talking about the next module, which every investor is keen to learn and invest, is going to be mutual fund, where we will learn about what is mutual fund and how does it works, different types of mutual funds, when to buy and sell mutual fund, what is better, SIP or lump sum investment, going for the direct plan or regular plan, taxation, entry loads and exit loan, how to find the best mutual fund schemes. Believe me guys, this is a plethora of content, but we have made sure that the content is very easy to learn and very easy to adapt, as after all, simplicity is the best way to explain anything. Plus, we will have a Zoom session to answer all your queries and questions. And finally, we will have a master webinar at the end. And trust me guys, when I say it, you should not miss that webinar. Not just this, but there are a lot of unbelievable and mind-boggling bonuses too. We are also providing you more than 80+ ebooks related to stock markets. Now, all you guys must be wondering what should be the price of this course. We have made it really affordable, and the price is in Indian National Rupees 2499. So, what are you waiting for? Go and check out the course PDF for more details. And if you have any questions on this course, please ask in the comment section so that we can answer. I will see you on the other side of this course. Thank you. Bye-bye.